Hi, welcome to MAO'S Cooking Channels. Today I'm going to show you how to make microwave steamed rice cake. You can steam or microwave. This cake, it takes 4 steps from the beginning to the end. Here's all the ingredients. Tapioca flour, rice flour, yeast, baking powder, sugar, water. Number 1, here's all the ingredient for number 1. Mix everything together in the pot. Stir until it has no lumps. Then you can bring to cook. Just keep stirring until it gets thick like baby food. So now it's ready, you can set aside. Here's all the ingredients for number 2. We just have to combine everything into the bowl and mix really good. Make sure it has no lumps. Now we're going to combine number 1 and number 2 together. Mix really good before we add yeast and baking powder. After you add yeast and baking powder, you can mix really good and you don't have to use blender. You can just cover with plastic wrap. But it would be better if you can use a blender and blend it. So now I'm done mixing. I'm going to put the rest of the batter into the blender to blend. After I blend all the batter, I just put back into the bowl and cover with plastic wrap. So now I can put into a warm place or put in the oven for 45 to 1 hour or until double the size. So now it's double the size and it's ready. Now it's very bubbly and it's very pretty, but make sure that you don't stir it. You just slowly scoop from the top into the baking pan. Yeah, you don't want to put too thick either. You can just put it maybe like I would say about 1 inch thick. That way it's cooked faster too. So now I'm going to put my batter into the microwave and bake for 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, my cake is ready. Look at this, very spongy and it's really good. It depends how big is your tray. If you use a bigger tray, you probably have to cook longer, but I have a small tray, so I only cook for 3 minutes. So spongy, it's just like a sponge. That's it. I hope you like this recipe and this video. If you do, please hit the like button below, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Also hit the notification so you will be notifying when I post my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.